welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be pre-pooing my hair using this protein mask by African's Best Hair Mayonnaise. It looks like this. I got mine from Walmart. You could get yours at any drugstore or beauty supply store, and I got mine for $3.94, I believe it was. I was looking for a protein mask that was in the cheaper side just because I'm a mom. I can't be spending too much money on hair products. I'm sorry. So I ran across this one, and I'm going to be using it as a pre-poo, like before I shampoo my hair, just because the research that I did, a lot of people say it works like that. It works better like that for them. In the directions, they actually say to use it after shampooing your hair, but I'm gonna pre-poo with this just because my hair can really absorb all the protein and the moisture that the product has. And then I'm going to be washing it off, that way I can get all the products out of it. And also because this product is not all natural, that way I could just shampoo everything out, like all the whole product out of my hair, since it's not all natural. If you're a person that likes all natural products, this may not be for you. This product is really thick. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but it's really thick, and it smells like product from like back in the day, like something your mom would use on your hair when you were younger or something. But it doesn't smell bad. I don't mind the smell. I actually kind of like the smell, to be honest, just a little. Alright, so you guys can see my hair. My curls are not really like bouncing or anything, bouncing back. My hair is very just bad. Okay, and as you can tell, I parted my hair into two, and I'm going to be working the product in section by section. And I'm going to be doing the same thing I do to this side to the other side. I really want to work the product in because I want all of my hair to be saturated. I want to make sure that all of my hair has some of the deep treatment on. Okay, so the reason why I'm putting a plastic bag over my head is so the heat of my head can really open up my hair follicles, and my hair can really get moisturized. It could take up all of that good moisture that my hair really needs. So yeah. Okay, so I put a Walmart plastic bag on my head. If you have a shower cap, that will work as well, but if you don't have one, then you can put a plastic bag on your head just like I did. It'll work the same. I'm going to wait 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to jump in the shower to wash my hair and see my results. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back. I just got out of the shower. I actually left the protein treatment a little longer than 15 minutes because of course when you have kids, you can never be on time for anything. Of course. So I shampooed my hair with the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. I only had to shampoo my hair once to get all of the product out. The minute that I started rinsing out the product, my hair felt soft, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so you guys can see how it looks. So my hair is still wet right now. It has no product in it, but like I said, it does feel very soft. I really like how it feels. It's not so drying like it was before I did the mask. So I gotta say, this mask I like it. I personally like it. I feel like it worked very well on my hair, especially since I used it, you know, since I since I did a pre-pooing with it. So I think it's very worth it. The $3 is worth it. So if you're looking for a cheap protein treatment for your hair, I will highly recommend this because I honestly like it. Like I said, I love the price, $3, who could complain? And I really like the how it leaves your hair feeling. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. That way I can see how it looks once it's completely dry with some products and stuff. So I guess I'll get back on the camera and show you guys the finishing results. My hair is styled and completely dry. Okay, so this is my hair completely dry with already product in it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. See you guys in my next video. Bye! I'm going to wait